Hi. Welcome to PDF.co. Today we will show you how to extract data from PNC Financial Services Statements using PDF.co web API. You can see the link to the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. We will use this sample PDF Financial Services Statements and will extract the data into a CSV format. So, let's get started. First, log into your PDF.co account and click the Request Tester menu. Let's set up the Request Tester tool. For the Choose PDF.co API endpoint field, search and select the document parser endpoint, output as CSV. This endpoint will get data from documents using a data extraction template. For the Input Parameters field, you can override the URL param with a link or input with a file. The default URL will automatically be replaced once you've added your source file. Now, let's add the template ID contains the extracted data from bank statements. To learn how to quickly create a template, kindly check the link in the description box below. To generate CSV headers, set it to true. For inline param, set it to true to return results inside the response, and false to return a link to the output file generated. Once you're done setting up, click the Run Request button to send a request to PDF.co. The PDF.co process our request successfully. Kindly click on the resulting URL to view the output or directly download the output file. Here's the extracted data from PNC Financial Services Statements in CSV format. You can also choose JSON or XML as an output format. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website, or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.